Australian visa changes of 2022. Today's video update is the first part of our two-part series, sharing the latest Australian visa changes of 2022. As Australia aims to elevate its migration as a factor of its economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, we have gathered some of the major immigration changes announced. Due to widespread travel bans and border closures, Australian immigration has plunged severely since the rise of the COVID-19 pandemic, but it is anticipated to bounce back in 2022. The Treasury's mid-year economic update was released recently. It shows that while net overseas migration was predicted to be about minus 41,000 people in 2021-22, it is anticipated to rise to 180,000 people in 2022-23, nearly double the last estimate. Australia's migration program is fixed yearly and operates from the 1st of July to the 30th of June each financial year. The 2024-25 forecast stands at 235,000 people. Let's take a brief look at which visa holders can enter Australia at present. Australia's borders reopened to qualified international students and specific skilled visa holders on the 15th of December 2021. The reopening was almost 6 months earlier than the federal budget forecast. Australian citizens and permanent residents can enter Australia too, and their immediate family members can apply for an exemption to enter the country. Temporary visa holders get more prospects. Although plenty of temporary visa holders departed Australia during the pandemic due to insufficient work and welfare support, it is to be expected that the emphasis will be on presenting permanent residency pathways to those who stayed. The 2021-22 planning level was retained at 160,000 places and brought over the composition from the previous year. This means there are 79,600 places for the skills stream, 77,300 for family, 100 for special eligibility, and 3,000 for children. Australian immigration is going through a significant change by loosening up and presenting many different pathways, and plenty of extensions for individuals already in the country to achieve their migration dream. A spokesperson for the Department of Home Affairs stated that the government has already presented various visa changes during the pandemic and will proceed to review visa settings to reinforce Australia's economic recovery. We have reached the end of Part 1 of Australian visa changes for 2022. Stay tuned for Part 2, coming shortly. Thanks for watching.